Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to get My AI on Snapchat using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you are using your Android device, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your Snapchat app and click on your profile at the upper left corner of your screen. So now just go ahead and click on the Snapchat Plus. And in order for you to have your My AI on your Snapchat is to have the Snapchat Plus. Okay? So just go ahead and subscribe in any of this plan. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the chat button at the lower part of your screen. And here, you should see your My AI on the messages. Okay? And that is how you get your My AI on Snapchat. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.